Yes, so now we can discuss about antibiotics. What is antibiotics? What are the uses? That is we can discuss now. Antibiotics are an experimental antibacterial therapy first described by Nelson Loomis and Fischetti. The term is derived from a combination of the words enzyme and antibiotics. Enzymes have been extensively utilized for their antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Proto- Proteolytic enzymes called endolysins have demonstrated particular effectiveness in combating a range of bacteria and are the basis of antibiotic research. Endolysins, endolysins are derived from bacteriophages and are highly efficient at lysing bacterial cells. Antibiotics are being researched largely to address the issue of antibiotic resistance, which has allowed for the proliferation of drug resistant pathogens, posing a great risk to animal and human health across the globe. Mechanism. What is the mechanism? Mechanism. Endolisms. Endolisms are specialized enzymes derived from the bacteriophages, viruses that infect bacterial cells in order to replicate within them, because phages have co-evolved with their bacterial hosts. The endolysin system is very efficient at degrading bacterial cell walls. Bacterial cell walls. Phages release endolysins from inside bacterial host cells that cleave the peditoglycan bonds of the bacterial cell wall. Once the cell is lysed, the bacteriophage is able to release progeny, progeny, progeny variants into the environment, which in turn infect more bacterial cells. In addition to degrading bacterial cell walls from within, endolysins are effective when applied externally and can lyse gram-positive bacteria that lack an outer cell membrane. Antibiotics utilize endolysins to combat pathogens. Dear friends, I am also preparing the notes to explain the things in a shortest way to give a comprehensive information. So I am also preparing a notepad. By that I am explaining everything to you. Now we can come again to the subject. Exploiting their ability to home in on specific bacterial cells, their non-toxicity towards eukaryotic cells and a decreased risk of pathogen resistance, because they target highly conserved peditoglycan bonds. A rapid killing rate of bacteria has also been observed upon administration of endolysins due to enzymatic mechanism, as have synergistic effects among different endolysins and in combination with antibiotics, improving treatment outcomes of bacterial infections. Research. In one of the earliest studies of endolysins as antibacterial therapy, oral streptococcus infections of mice were completely eradicated following bacteriophage endolysin treatment. Subsequent studies have demonstrated that endolysins of streptococcal streptococcal phages as well as endolysins LYSK and CHAPK CHAPK and an engineered lysine all significantly reduced the activity of several streptococcus species responsible for bovine mastitis, a widespread and costly concern in the dairy industry. Endolysins including Listermius derived from K virus were effective in destroying drug-resistant strains of Staphylococcus aureus, a pathogen causing chronic MRSA wound infections. Bacteriophage endolysins have been successful in preventing neonatal infections of penicillin-resistant Streptococcus agalactias, a pathogen that is the leading cause of sepsis, meningitis, and pneumonia, not phenomena, and pneumonia, pneumonia, pneumonia in newborns. Other studies have demonstrated the efficacy of endolysins in combating infection by various Bacillus enterococcus and streptococcus species, as well preventing biofilm formation of Escherichia coli and Escherichia coli, biofilm formation of Escherichia coli and Listeria monocytogenes. This is the information regarding enzymbiotics. That is the experimental antibacterial therapy. This is the information regarding this topic. Wishing you all the best.